Finally, we are in
Munnar.
Wow.
Probably the most popular place in Kerala.
Yeah, it's very popular for tea plantations. There are also spice plantation in this area, so plenty to do.
And waterfalls.
Waterfalls, yes. Munnar means the place of three rivers. So you have plenty of waters and rivers to see.
Good, good. What a better way to celebrate the start of a new year than exploring Munnar lush tea plantations with a couple of friends. On the 1st of January, we wear our walking shoes and start wandering around some very impressive tea gardens. Hello.
Happy New Year.
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 Oh, nice.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We got a cappuccino something.
Yeah.
Lolly? A lolly, I think.
What a way to start the new year.
Oh,
Happy New Year.
oh, thank you so much.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
At the end of the day, we even visited a tea factory to learn a bit more about the tea manufacturing process.
Munnar also offers plenty of opportunities for hikes. On our second day there, we hiked Chokramudi Peak.
While in Munnar, we also went to the theatre.
We are at the theater tonight. We're here to watch Kalaripayattu. which is a martial art form which originated here in Kerala. So there are lots of Kalaripayattu performances on the stage, and we're about to watch one tonight. Let's see what it's all about. What did you think of the show?
What do you think?
I'm a bit confused. But what happened? I was expecting like 2 or 3 people fighting for a bit, but no, it seemed to be more of a showcase of techniques and weapons, which is okay, but not what I was expecting.
I found it like very fragmented in a way.
Yes.
It was not like a
That's the word.
proper show, but it was just, as you say, showcasing things one after the other. They were good. I mean, they were really good.
Yeah,
it was
there was
good.
a guy who was so flexible.
Yeah. It was nice, but
Not the best show I've seen in my life. When I was in Sri Lanka, I used to love a dish called kottu roti. So you can imagine my delight when I found out that a very similar dish is also available here in the state of Kerala. Let me introduce you to kottu parotta. The dish is similar to kottu roti, but instead of using roti, they use parotta, which is a very common type of bread here in the state of Kerala. So the way they make this dish, they take the parotta, they cut it into tiny pieces, and they mix it with other vegetables or meat or egg. We chose the vegetarian version tonight. Looks like cauliflower, carrots, peas, paneer as well, the Indian cheese we love. Let me get some. Yes, this reminds me so much of kottu roti. I can honestly say whether I prefer kottu roti or kottu parotta. I just love them both. Another dish made with parotta, which we found in the menu in this restaurant, is kizi parotta. I never heard of it, I have no idea what it is, but we order it. And here it is. It came in a banana leaf, so let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, it's a fig parotta. Okay. There were different types. We ordered the one with vegetables. So there should be vegetables in there.
Yeah, I see the cauliflower.
Oh, so it's like a vegetable curry inside the parotta. Looks good. You want to try it? How is it? Is it good?
really good. It's a proper curry inside the parotta. Super tasty.
Okay, let me try. Let me try them. It's not bad, but I prefer my kottu parotta.
I forgot to say both are very spicy.
Oh yeah, both are very spicy. But yes, definitely. I don't know if it's because I already knew the dish and I was in love with the dish. But yeah, I prefer. No, I'll tell you why. Because there definitely are more vegetables in the kottu parotta. This is really nice, but it is more parotta than vegetables. That's why I prefer kottu parotta.
Okay. Thanks for watching. After a few days surrounded by idyllic green valleys in Munnar, it's now time to go back to the busy roads. In the next episode, we're going to show you the vibrant colonial city of Kochi on the Indian coast. We'll see you there.